So far, what we have been doing with strings is basic input and output. When we assign string to a variable, we can also do some fun operation on that variable. We can do several things like uppercase letters, all lowercase letters, and even reverse it. This is called calling a method on a variable. We don't need to worry too much about methods right now because we'll be getting to them a little bit later. For now, we are going to run IRB console and make some fun things with the strings. So I'm gonna clear the console. Okay, clear. Okay, so let's go ahead and launch IRB. Now we are inside of our Ruby console. So let's create a variable name, and it's gonna be my name. Okay, now that I have this stored in a variable, I can do things on it. So one thing that Ruby lets us do is uppercase the string. So if I type the name of the variable and then a dot and then the word uppercase, the result is Sebastian in capital letters. If we can do uppercase, we also should be able to do downcase. So if I do name dot lowercase, oh sorry, downcase. So the result is everything down. Now you might be wondering what the contents of the name variable are now. So if I check its contents, I've typed the name of the variable and then press enter, you can see that these operations didn't change the content of the variable. The reason is because the return value is completely new. So if we want to store it inside another variable, we should create another variable. So if I type uppercase name equals to name dot uppercase, now uppercase name is the return value of this, but I still have the original name as it was. Another fun thing we can do is reverse the order of the string. We can do this by typing any string, then a dot, and then the word reverse. And you can see all the characters were reversed. Also, it should work with the variable name. And it just changed the order of the characters inside the string. And here's my name with the character reversed. And remember, since Ruby is creating another variable or is returning a value right here, we can also apply things to this, apply more methods. So I could do name dot reverse dot uppercase, and it should reverse my name and also uppercase it. And you can see it worked. Well, now you should be wondering, how do I know these methods? Well, all those methods are documented in the Ruby strings documentation. The link is in the description of the video. So you can see here all you need to know about the Ruby methods for strings. Let's look for the uppercase method, for example. Uppercase. So you can see here everything about uppercase, but you should notice that there is an uppercase with an exclamation point. So let's try that ourselves. If we clear the console, try to write. So let's see the contents of name, okay. And if we do the uppercase with the exclamation point, and now you type name again, you will see that the operation made over the name variable affected its value. So now you know that an exclamation point means that you are gonna save the return value in the variable you are applying the method. Now take a look to the documentation and find some more methods here, and let us know what you could discover in these methods in the comments. As always, there is a short quiz in an annotation on the video or in the description of it. Also guys, thank you for your support, for following me in Twitter and Brisk Karate, in Facebook, and always keep an eye on briskkarate.com, where is the annotations or the transcript of this video. And of course, thanks for your support again, for subscribe to our channel. This is the last video of this stage of Ruby strings, and in the next stage we wanna work and learn all about the numbers in Ruby. See you next stage.